In this video, I'm going to show you how to create cool, fun collectible coins in Scratch just like this. First of all, I had to make a bit of a game, so I made a Scratch cat that can move. Then, I added a coin sprite. This is where we're going to code all the things for the coin. The first thing I'm going to do in the coin sprite is code when green flag clicked, hide, go to back layer. Next, I want to make sure my coins will show. So I'm going to make sure to pick a random time, maybe in between 10 to 15 seconds of when my coins will show. So this is what I'm going to code. Forever, wait, pick random 10 to 15 seconds, and I'm going to show, and go to front layer. After this, I'll have to work on positioning the coins. It's important to note that my character can go anywhere on the screen. Your game might be different, so this means my positioning of my coins will be different than yours if your game is not like mine. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into motion and get a go to X, go to Y block. Then I'm going to go into operators and get pick random and put it into the input. One for the Y input, one for the X input. And then I'm going to grab the coin and bring it as far away as it can go to the left side of the screen. So it's about negative 251 is the furthest X, so I'm going to go pick random negative 251 to 251. I'm going to do the same, but vertically so I can see the Y value. Okay, I'm just going to stop the project. Then Y, the furthest it goes is negative 196, and I'd make it positive 196. There we go. Now the coin can position anywhere around the screen. So if you want the coins to disappear after being on the screen for a few seconds, this is what you do. Simply go get a wait block and choose the amount of seconds you want. I'm going to say 3 seconds. Then I'm going to hide the coins. Now if we test it out, look at the coins. It's gonna appear soon. There's the coin. Now it's gone. Next, I'm gonna get into cloning and how to make there be multiple coins on the screen at once. Okay, so this is how you code multiple coins to be on the screen at once. So we're just gonna edit this a little bit. We're actually gonna remove this part, wait pick random 1 to 2 seconds, and then we're gonna go and get a create clone of myself block. Then over here, add when I start as clone. And then underneath the hide, delete this clone. Now let's test it out. Like this, the coin appears, another coin appears, one deletes. There's 2 on the screen at once, sometimes 1. There we go. If that's what you want, sure, you can have it be like that. But I prefer to have 1 coin at once. Next, I'm gonna go and make a variable. The variable is going to be called score. It's going to be for all sprites. To make sure we actually get points when the coins touch our player, we're going to code when green flag clicked, set score to 0. And then we're going to code when I start as clone, forever, if touching player, then we're going to change score by 1, and then we're going to delete this clone. Now if we test it out, look at this, if we touch a coin, you get 1 point. There you go, guys. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope I helped you figure out how to add your own coin system to your Scratch game. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!